Welcome our YouTube channel Kids Knowledge Fun with Gudu and Jia. Today we learn body parts name. Let's start it. First, watch, listen, speak, read and write. EYE, eye means aankh. EAR, ear means kaan. MOUTH, mouth means muh. HAND, hand means हाथ. THUMB, thumb means अंगूठा. FINGER, finger means ungli. LIPS, lips means hoठ. FOOT, foot means पैर. CHEST, chest means सीना. STOMACH, stomach means पेट. TONGUE, tongue means जीभ. WRIST, wrist means कलाई. HEEL, heel means एड़ी. SOOL, soul means पैर का तलवा. TOE, toe means पैर का अंगूठा. NAIL, nail means नाखून. FIST, fist means मुट्ठी. HAIRS, hairs means बाल. KNEE, knee means घुटने. ELBOW, elbow means कोनी. TEETH, teeth means दांत. CHEEKS, chicks means गाल. BACK, back means कमर. EYE, BROW, eyebrow means भौं. SHOULDER, shoulder means कंधा. NOSE, nose means नाक. PALM, palm means हथेली. Now again read body parts. Eyes, mouth, hand, leg, toes, knee, stomach, arm, ear, hairs. These are the body parts. So kids learn very well.
Thank you for watching video.
Please like and share video and subscribe our channel.